Welcome to this new module of the HEFLO onboarding course. In this video, we'll explore how to customize your HEFLO environment, the space where your processes, users, and licenses are grouped together. This environment can be visually and functionally adjusted to match your needs, depending on your subscription plan. A HEFLO environment is like a dedicated virtual space. It includes your processes, users, work items, and configuration settings. You can have multiple environments, for example, one for production and another for testing. To manage an environment, click on the Environment side menu and choose Manage Environment, or access it directly through the Environment selector. From the management screen, you can update the following: the name of the environment, organization. This field defines the name that will appear as the sender in automatic emails from HEFLO, helping recipients recognize your company. The selector color, to help visually identify the environment during selection. The time zone, which is essential for process automation. Your company logo, which replaces the default HEFLO logo. The browser tab icon. The interface theme color. Don't confuse the environment selector color with the environment theme color. The selector color appears in the environment menu to help you quickly identify your environments, while the theme color changes the look and feel of the entire interface, as you can see. Let's select the default color again. You can also find the environment ID, which may be requested by our support team when contacting support for help with your environment. Extensions allow you to enable additional features. In enterprise contracts, these are pre-configured based on your agreement. For light plans, extensions are limited to the available options in that plan. If you have an enterprise contract that includes the single sign-on SSO option, we recommend contacting our support team to help configure it for your environment. You can also delete an environment or its work items. Please be aware that these actions are irreversible and must be performed with caution. You now know how to customize your HEFLO environment. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you in the next one.